Building something for your loved ones is one of the most rewarding experiences life has to offer. And it's never been more important to work safer and smarter at your craft. MicroJig introduces Gripper 3D Pushblock. And it's the safest, most precise push block, giving you essential safety, precision, and control when feeding work through a table saw. A must-have for any table saw user. It gives you the 3 critical forces when cutting on the saw. Downward pressure to virtually eliminate kickback and keep the workpiece down on the tabletop. Inward pressure to keep the work against the fence and prevent wood burn. And forward pressure to advance the cut and control both sides of the workpiece. The gripper is engineered with a powerful gripping surface that gives you far greater control and traction. And the saw blade tunnel allows the table saw blade to pass through, keeping your hands shielded the entire cut. And the adjustable center leg slides easily to accommodate a wide range of cutting dimensions and keeps a solid hold of the off-cut material. Using the gripper is simple and safe. Place the gripper on your workpiece, slide it against the fence, and guide the cut along the fence, and you'll get a safe cut. The gripper is a fully adjustable push block system engineered to handle the demands of your workshop and your full range of projects. And it's amazing when it comes to handling small workpieces. The built-in balance support drops down and stabilizes for narrow work material, keeping your gripper square to the fence. The workpiece gets full contact with the gripping surface to ensure a smooth, clean, and safe cut. The precise 1/4-inch leg makes the gripper the most precise pusher in the world. The proprietary green grip is lined across the length of the leg to make sure you have a firm grasp over the smallest pieces of wood, allowing you to cut down to a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. All the while your hands are protected. With the gripper, you have your own moving blade guard. The gripper is an extremely versatile piece of woodworking equipment. We've also introduced Gripper Advanced. Comes with 2 additional precision accessories. The stabilizing plate gives you 250% more stabilizing area and locks the workpiece against the fence to enhance the versatility of the gripper. It intelligently maintains even pressure without binding to create safer and virtually burn-free cuts. The adjustable spacer adds 1 inch of additional gripping surface to tackle larger material and wider cuts. They both work remarkably well on the router table. The gripper holds the workpiece tight against the router bit, while the stabilizing plate keeps you grounded and moving smoothly across the table. Perfect for freehand routing. The adjustable spacer is reversible and rises up to give you extra clearance to pass over the router bit when doing full profile work, like bullnose routing. This takes care of any uneven deep cuts on the back end of the wood, helping you make the most of every piece. No matter what project you're taking on, the gripper will give you the control you need with the precision to win over your biggest fans. With the gripper, everything is safer. There are over 30 unique applications, substantially more than any other push block. You can use 2 grippers for ripping stock longer over 16 inches to virtually eliminate burning and protect both hands when working on bigger projects. You can cut a wide range of material types and sizes, and then recreate your stunning results with consistency without having to readjust your fence. You can build more projects in less time with less waste and much safer.
Most of us know that dust collection is important for our health and safety, but we often let it slide when we're working with handheld power tools. It's easy to see why. Every tool seems to have a different size or shape of dust port, and the ports rarely, if ever, fit your dust collection hose. Rockler has a solution to that problem: the DustRite Universal Small Port Hose Kit. This award-winning kit is all you need to bring dust collection to virtually any small power tool that has a dust port. The wide compatibility range is possible because of the kit's 2 innovative connecting ports. They have flexible rubber ends that stretch to fit a range of tool ports, forming a tight seal that doesn't require any jerry-rigging with duct tape or hose clamps. And because of the two sizes, you get both a 1-inch inside diameter port and a 1.5-inch inside diameter port. You have the ability to extend dust collection to the vast majority of handheld power tools on the market, from plunge routers and circular saws to handheld planers and power sanders. Designed for ease of use, both connecting ports are angled, providing hose clearance above the work surface, and both swivel to avoid twisting and allow unhindered movement. The 1.5-inch inside diameter hose is durable but light, and it expands from 3 to 15 feet. It also flexes easily so it won't fight you as you move around while working. The 2.25-inch outside diameter vacuum port swivels for easy mobility and fits standard shop vacuums as well as other dust-right accessories such as the dust separator and cord and hose holder. And both connecting ports and the vacuum port reverse thread onto the hose, offering a naturally airtight fit and eliminating the need for hose clamps.
For the professional contractor looking for the latest in battery-powered saw technology and innovation, DeWalt is proud to present the 20-volt MAX lithium-ion reciprocating saw featuring a 4-position blade clamp and the 6.5-inch circular saw. The 20-volt MAX line will be offered in addition to DeWalt's 18-volt system and provide professional contractors with performance, ergonomics, and innovative features users expect from DeWalt. The 20-volt MAX lithium-ion reciprocating saw delivers performance worthy of the DeWalt name, with a 1 1/8-inch stroke length that works up to 3,000 strokes per minute. The 3.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery gives the user up to 73% more cuts per charge when compared to the leading 18-volt lithium-ion reciprocating saws on the market. Plumbers, electricians, framers, carpenters, and remodelers will benefit from the DeWalt 20-volt MAX reciprocating saw's versatile 4-position keyless blade clamp, which gives the user optimal versatility when making flush cuts or cutting in tight spaces. The contoured rubber overmolded comfort grip gives the users control for a variety of cutting applications. The 20-volt MAX lithium-ion circular saw offers fast cutting performance due to a motor that delivers 460 max watts out at 3,700 RPM. The lightweight magnesium shoe provides the optimal combination of durability for long-term accuracy and lightweight to help keep contractors running strong. The optimized rubber overmolded comfort grip gives the 8-pound circular saw the desired balance and control for the remodeler, carpenter, or framer making cross, grip, plunge, or bevel cuts. Regardless of the application, DeWalt 20-volt MAX saws provide the performance, ergonomics, and features needed to get the job done. DeWalt 20-volt MAX lithium-ion, maximum performance.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt MAX lithium-ion jig saw, PCC 650B, part of the new growing linked system of high-performance tools. This tool delivers a new dust blower to aid in clearing debris and maintaining visibility of cut. A variable speed trigger 0 to 2,500 strokes per minute, 3/4-inch stroke, and 3 orbital settings deliver the cut quality across a variety of materials demanded by the tradesman. This tool also features a shoe that bevels 0 to 45 degrees for angled cuts and comfortable over-molded grips to reduce vibration and fatigue while working. 20-volt MAX Compact and MAX Pack lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the Compact and the MAX Pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. The 20-volt MAX Jig Saw combines cut quality, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt MAX linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt MAX.
Hi, I'm David Scheinkamp, TV host and licensed general contractor. I'm always looking for ways to improve life on the job site, and that's one of the reasons why I'm a Rigid guy. Because Rigid stays ahead of the pack with tool technology that keeps me working faster with high-quality results. Right now I'm finishing up this custom deck using the StealthForce 18-volt brushless 3-speed pulse driver. StealthForce innovation is a unique hydraulic oil pulse mechanism. that has two benefits. The first is that it drastically cuts the tool noise to half that of a traditional impact driver. And second, it allows the tool to work twice as fast as a standard impact driver, which is perfect for a job like this, where the client's working from home while I build, so I can build quickly and quietly without being a distraction to him or the neighbors. This tool is built with brushless motor technology. With no carbon brushes, you get cool, frictionless operation with less maintenance and better overall tool life. Plus, it drains less juice from the battery, so I get up to 50% longer runtime on a single charge. Translates to me not switching out batteries all the time. The new StealthForce pulse driver also features multiple speed settings, 3 LED lights to help eliminate shadows, and a quick load bit holder. Best of all, this tool is backed by Rigid's industry-leading lifetime service agreement. As long as you register your tool within 90 days of purchase, you get free parts, free service, and free batteries for life. The new Rigid StealthForce is available now at the Home Depot.